In this video, I'm going to show you how to set dynamic weather lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. This feature works on iOS 16 and latest versions, so first make sure that you have updated your device to the latest iOS. So now you can lock your device, then press on power button to go to lock screen, and now you can hold down somewhere at free space of your lock screen to bring up that edit mode. Now here you can tap at plus sign and right here at the top drag this toolbar for a bit and here select weather. Now it shows you dynamic weather wallpaper. You can customize it in any way that you want. For example, you can tap here and change font and color of clock widget. Also, you can hit there at plus sign and add here some widget from that list, and then once you are satisfied with the result, you can just hit right here at add button and now hit at set as wallpaper pair to set dynamic weather lock screen wallpaper to lock screen and also to your home screen. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.